also nützliche Tipp, wenn die Musik gespielt wird. Ne? Man darf, also wenn man nicht nur klatschen will, man kann auch ab und zu mal so ein Laut von sich geben. Also, discreet. Ne? Also, man kann sagen, aber wenn es wirklich intensiv wird, ne? Man kann schon die Dezibel ein bisschen
besonders bei Tonartwechsel.
Genau, bei Tonartwechsel. Ja. Beim Tonartwechsel. Aber ansonsten, ja, und so weiter. Aber nicht so viel Fantasie jetzt.
Some countries they call it hiccups.
So, wir machen weiter mit noch ein paar Jigs hier. Das erste heißt The Kill on the Mountain. Übersetzt heißt das junge Ziege, die junge Ziege am Berg. Und das andere ist The Lark in the Morning, die Lerche am Morgen. Also sehr ländlich, sehr Tippfigur, sehr gesund, Öko-Musik.
Can you sing the song? But even with all the sad songs we have in Ireland, we're very happy people. Song about immigration, but it's a kind of a positive way of education. So people have made the decision that enough is enough. We're going to give them a new life in America. Farewell to the groves of Shillelagh and Shamrock. Farewell to the girls of old Ireland are on. May your hearts be as merry as ever I could wish them while far away o'er the ocean I'm bound. For my mother is old and my father's quite feeble. To leave their own country, it grieves their hearts so. The tears in great drops down their cheeks, they are golden. To think they must die upon a foreign shore. But what matter to me where my bones may be buried, if in peace and contentment I can spend my life o'er the green fields of Canada. They daily are blooming, 'tis there I'll put an end to my miseries and strife. So it's pack up your sea stores and tarry no longer. $10 a week isn't very bad pay, with no taxes, no tithes, to devour up your wages when you're on the green fields of America. The sheep run unsheared, and the land is gone to rushes. The handyman's gone, and the winder of creels. Away across the ocean go journeyman, tailors and fiddlers that played out the old mountain reels. And the tide when old Ireland was flourishing, when lots of her tradesmen could work for good pay. But since so many factories have crossed the Atlantic, 'tis there I must follow to America. So it's now to conclude and to finish my ditty. If ever friendless